How to recover InShot deleted videos. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover InShot deleted videos. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, let us check out the problem. First, head over to InShot, tap on videos, and now you'll see the drafts. Open up the draft and it will give you this error right here. Now to fix this error, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head back to your photos. After you head back to your photos, you will need to head over to recently deleted. Now open up recently deleted, and right here you will need to find the video that was in your InShot draft. So tap on recover to recover the video, and after you recover the video, you can head back to InShot. And after you're back on InShot, you can remove it from your background. Tap on InShot, open it up again, tap on videos, and now go back to the draft. Now as you can see right here, the the draft has been recovered, and yeah, that is how you can recover InShot deleted video. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.